heavy release in the form of a cough, okay? In the form of a cough, so I'm going to have you breathe in first. And then when you go ahead and breathe in, you breathe in and breathe out and breathe out. And then we're going to have you breathe in deep, and then I tell you to cough. You cough, and I'm going to press right here until you're done, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, breathe in. 1, 2, 3, breathe out. 1, 2, 3, breathe in. 1, 2, 3, breathe out. 1, 2, 3, breathe in. 1, 2, 3, breathe out. Okay, here we go. Oh, goodness. 1, 2, 3, breathe in deep, deep, deep. Cough. Good. We'll try one more time, but let's go ahead and relax for a second. The sound was there, well, it's not quite there, but we're going to get there. 1, 2, 3, breathe in. 1, 2, 3, breathe out. 1, 2, 3, breathe in. 1, 2, 3, breathe out. 1, 2, 3, breathe in. 1, 2, 3, breathe out. Okay, here we go. Let's make this count. 1, 2, 3, breathe in deep, 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 deep. Cough. There you go. There you go. Good job. Yes.